Hello everyone, welcome back to 𝐬𝐻𝐿 Academy. Today's lesson, we'll be starting an introduction to chemistry series. This topic is very important because it forms the foundation for almost every chemistry topic you'll meet in your WAEC and JAMB examinations. At the end of this lesson, you understand what chemistry is, the definition and state of matter, elements, compounds, and mixture. And most importantly, we'll solve likely WAEC and JAMB questions together to test your knowledge. So what exactly is chemistry? Simply put, chemistry is the branch of science that studies matter, its properties, and its composition, and the changes it undergoes. In simpler terms, it's just the study of matter and the changes that happen to it. To understand this better, look around you. Why does iron rust? Why does food spoil if left out? Why does wood burn to ashes? And why does water evaporate when boiled? All these everyday processes are explained by chemistry. Now, you can't talk about chemistry without talking about matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. Everything around you, the water you drink, the stone on the ground, the air you breathe, the wood, human beings, and even the food you eat are all examples of matter. However, not everything is matter. Things like light, heat, sound, and electricity are not matter because they do not have mass and they do not occupy space. Remember the two key characteristics of matter: it must have mass and it must occupy space. Matter exists in three main states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a fixed shape and ratio, like iron or a stone. Liquids have a fixed volume, but no fixed shape. They take the shape of their container, like water or palm oil. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume, like oxygen or carbon dioxide. Let's look at a quick WAEC question. Which of the following is not matter? A. Water, B. Air, C. Heat, D. Stone. If you listen closely, you know the answer is C. Heat, because it has no mass and occupies no space. Moving on to elements. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical methods. Here are some common symbols you must know. Sodium is Na, potassium is K, iron is Fe, silver is Ag, gold is Au, and lead is Pb. Here is an exam tip. JAMB love testing these irregular symbols. You must memorize them. Let's tackle another exam style question. Which of the following is an element? A. Water, B. Salt, C. Iron, D. Air. Correct answer is C. Iron. Water and salt are compounds, and A is a mixture. This brings us to compound. A compound is a substance formed when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed proportion. Examples include water, H2O, salt, NaCl, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. The key characteristics are that they are chemically combined, have a fixed composition, and form entirely new properties. Let me show you a classic example. Hydrogen is a gas that burns explosively. Oxygen is a gas that supports burning. But when they combine chemically, they form water, a liquid that pours out fire. This shows that compounds have completely different properties from the elements that form them. Let me test you with this. Which of the following is a compound? A. Sulfur, B. Oxygen, C. Water, D. Gold. The answer is C. Water, because it is the chemical combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Finally, let's look at mixture. A mixture consists of two or more substances physically combined. There are two types: homogeneous mixtures, which are uniform throughout, like a salt-water solution or air, and heterogeneous mixtures, which are not uniform, like sand and water, soil or granite. WAEC and JAMB frequently test the difference between compounds and mixtures. Here's the table you should memorize. main WAEC and JAMB focus is this. Compound is a chemical combination, while a mixture is a physical combination. Look at this WAEC question. A is an. The answer is C, mixture. A is a physical combination of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Quickly recap. Matter is anything with mass and state. Elements are pure. Compounds are chemically combined. And mixtures are physically combined. Here's your assignment for today. I have 5 questions on the screen. Pause the video, solve them, and drop your answers in the comment section below. I'll reply to you. In our next class, we will discuss physical changes, chemical changes, and separation technique. If you don't want to miss it, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your classmates. Visit our resource hub for all study materials. The link is in the comment section. This is Sharpen Academy, raising academic giants for global influence. See you in the next video.